You want to reinstall your Mac, but this is happens to your Mac. This is so horrible, I think. So, okay, let's start. Start pretty good. Yes. This has happened to an Hexera, and I think so. Another version of Mac too. Okay. It's happened because my LCD TV is so really small. If you click install macOS or just white. This is a really terrible, I think so. Yeah. I don't know how to fix it. If you want to fix it, don't be panic because you can do that easily without a re-downloaded for version of macOS. No. Oh, just a simple step you can do it. Okay, open the terminal. This is okay. Okay, open the terminal. Okay, this is very important. Before you try this, turn off your Wi-Fi, if your internet or anything like that, just turn off. If you didn't turn off the internet, you can't change the date. You can check the date. Yeah. Okay, just change the year, date, and house is 8/11 on the watch without the seconds, just like that, and make it so like this. Yeah, and enter and take the date. Yes, you can take it. Okay, recheck it. You can recheck it with this. Yay! The date is changed. Now close the terminal. Don't forget to close the terminal and continue to install macOS. Yay! That's so simple. Without the re-download the macOS. Okay? See you on the next videos. Bye.